Afternoon all. I thought I'd have one or two games this afternoon, so let's go for it on the ICC auto pairing. HermanSteiner, I think Sicilian. Let's play Sicilian. Play for a quick d5. He's playing very quick. Whoa, what's this? Bit too quick? Or not? I'll play d5 here. He's giving me the f5 square. But he's got knight d6. Could this be a problem?
Check.
Looks a little bit dangerous actually. Yes. What's going on? On the exchange down, but I've got this centre pawn. I've got a nice knight on f5. Can I use the c file, bishop d7, rook c8, etc. Or knight e3 might be good in this position. I think knight e3, just to get. I don't think he's going to leave the knight there, so I'll pre-move that. Castle e2 check. So I want to play bishop d7 still, and do I need to worry about knight h7? I think bishop d7. There's also queen b2 if I want to get some more material, but castle, he castles. So I think bishop d7. I want to play rook c8 and knight b4. I was checking queen f4. Muppets. Mind you, that's the f file. I think my king needs to be somewhere else if I'm going to do that. I'll get my king over here for a sec. I could castle queenside. Okay. Protect this guy, I suppose. Or rook f8 for a moment. Just on that. Right. Okay, so now maybe knight b4. I don't know if that does anything. d4. It's a bit of trouble, this position. It's d4. Try and keep not too far behind on the clock. I think the worst of his issues are over, unfortunately. Okay, let's put the rook back over here. Isn't there a knight e2 cheapo? Take, knight e2. It's king f2 there. King f2 protecting the queen. Okay, and if knight3 rook f3. Oh well. Bishop g7 to f8. How quickly will this collapse? Taking his time here. Alright, that's nasty using that pin. I'll put this over here instead then. I think g5 is not good, is it? Just takes the knight. I think this bishop's kind of trapped in here, so if it does something useful like come to f8, that'll be better on f8. Perhaps a5 is also useful to stop a5s. Okay, he's done this. Yeah, well, okay. He's used a bit of time there, though. In fact, yeah, rook e1, bishop c6, queen e3, I've got rook d3 there. He's ruled out bishop c6. Oh man, what is this? Okay. Let's try for bishop f8. He's just going to take that pawn. I've got queen b2 though, coming up. Now I'm in a nasty pin. I can move at the moment. Oh, he's got rook d4. Oh, I think rook d4 is end of game. He hasn't gone for that rook d4. Bishop c6. Trying to get some play somewhere. I'm protecting that for the moment. So queen e3. I'll get queen d1 if queen e3. Is this any good? Probably not. Rook c6, queen d2. Okay, he's giving me the check. I'll take my check. Queen d5, rook e4, or queen e4. So that doesn't help. Maybe c5 for a moment then. So queen d5, well, the exchange down, fighting exchange down here. If I play a5 as well, as long as I try and keep the rook out of my position, this bishop is passive as well. Okay. Prospects are low. h5, h4, h3. I can throw in a check here, just to prevent loss of c5. If he's going to take on c5, in fact a5 is possible, and the rook is kind of trapped on c4 for a moment. Okay. Now h5 has got queen g6. Queen f3 is any good? Let's throw a check on h3. Maybe king g7, just think h5. Mind you, okay, I thought we'd play rook c3. h5 now. And if queen c4, maybe queen d1. Try and get onto these light squares. Play for h4 here. It's getting a bit short on time. So h4, queen f3, queen e4, queen. I've got queen g4. It's a bit more promising than earlier. Okay, so the check in an h4 is a good thing to get the pawn on h3. Pawn.
Check.
And put the queen back on somewhere. If I play c4 bishop c5 coming out, like here, that'd be dangerous, wouldn't it? c4, queen c4 at the moment. My queen's kind of trapped. But I think I need to do this anyway. Try and generate a chance of bishop c5. Okay. Hopefully there's some chances. Bishop c5, queen c5, queen e2, there's rook f2 or queen f2, but it's something to bear in mind. Bishop c5, bishop h4, he's got other stuff going on. He's got queen f3, I suppose. Try and get the queen somewhere useful with queen d7, king f7. Oh, okay, let's put that over here or something, away from being pinned. This is not helping. What about bishop h4, last sort of queen f3, queen f5, rook c7. He's got queen d7 coming up. Okay, bishop h4 for queen f4, last chance. Saloon. He's got queen f3 here. If I take on g3, take on f3. That's queen f4, okay. Okay, still no checks of use. I can protect h8. He's only got 25 seconds, so I'm protecting h8. Why can't he just take that queen e1? There's all the useful checks. Queen f1, queen e3, queen f2. Oh, that's useful. Okay, he's giving me bishop e3.
Check.
That looks dangerous for this diagonal. What about bishop f2 here? Or he's down to 8 seconds. He's mostly fluffing this up, but queen f8 is a pain. Stop queen f8. I think just exchange off queens here, because he's only got 6 seconds. So I don't know if that's a bad
Time warning.
decision. Probably. 3 seconds. Can he really win with 3 seconds? Honestly. No. What happened there? I don't even know what happened. I think he might have lost. Yeah. Oh, he lost control. It's only a 5-minute game. So yeah, blimey. Trying to generate some play. I know it's a scraggy game, arms worse, and sort of entertaining. That's what you play 5 minute for, mainly entertainment. And yeah, I don't know, trying to make some counterplay from somewhere. That is a rule of losing position, trying to generate some counterplay if you're losing. That's what I tried to do here. It just demonstrates trying to generate some counterplay. I think getting the pawn down was quite good as it goes, because there aren't too many other options. So that's like an extra attacking piece being installed. But I thought he let it slip after this bishop h4, this is allowing queen f4. And that starts to get as though I've got perpetual checks, potentially. And here I thought I was okay. But now queen f8 on the horizon. Now queen h3 on the horizon. Anyway, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.